Bonjour à tous, welcome to my channel French with Deepika. This is part 6 of lesson 2, so let's get started. So this is part 6 of lesson 2, Il est français, is he French? So in this part we are going to learn how to convert the masculine sentences into feminine, okay? How to change your masculine sentences into feminine. Okay, this is meteo femina. Okay, you have to put everything in feminine form throughout the sentence. Everything, be it article, your noun, the colors, everything, nationality. Okay, so the first is c'est un ami indien, il est brun et frisé. Okay, so this is everything in a masculine form. You have to change it into feminine. So your say will remain as it is because est is a verb. Okay. This article will change it into feminine form, which will become un. Your army, add e. So c'est une army indien. And with feminine, it is indienne. So another n and then e. So c'est une army indienne. Il will change it into l. L, your verb will remain as it is. L-A. Brun. Brun is brown, which is masculine, so make it feminine by adding e, then and. Frisé, it is curly hair, so frisé is feminine over there and you have to change it by adding e. Okay, this means she is an Indian friend. She is dark hair and curly. Okay, she is an Indian friend. She is dark haired and curly. Okay, so see the answer. C'est une amie indienne. Elle est brune et frisée. Okay. Next is c'est un collégien. Il est grand et un peu gros. Okay, so what is the feminine form here? C'est un collégien. Il est grand et un peu gros. It means he is in middle school. Collégien is not college here. It is a middle school student. He is tall and un peu gros means a little overweight. Okay, or a little fat. Gros is fat. Okay, so now change everything into feminine form. So it will be c'est une collégienne. Okay, il will become elle. She is grande. Okay, add e, a, un peu grosse. Okay, so this is the feminine form. So if you see, if you have noticed, I have changed everything. Article, okay, your subject, adjectives, everything will be changed into feminine form. C'est une collégienne. Elle est grande et un peu grosse. She is a middle school student. She is tall and a little overweight. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer. C'est une collégienne. Elle est grande et un peu grosse. Okay, now third is regarde le veillon. Il est très âgé et très ridé. Okay, so if you see, I have not written V-I-U-X, which we generally use for masculine singular, which means old. And why I have used VL here? This is also masculine singular. So according to the rule, if you have vowel or silent H, we use VL. Okay, regarde la vie home, il est très âgé et très ridé. So when you have vowel or silent H, we use this masculine singular. Okay. So look at the old man. He is very old and wrinkled. Ridé is wrinkled when you have wrinkles. Okay. Il est très âgé et très ridé. So what will be the feminine? Your regard will remain as it is. It is a verb, regarder. Okay, regard le, la. It will become la. Your article will become la. VL will be in feminine form, which is this, la VL form. Okay. L, A, très, very, âgé. Now âgé will be with extra E, A, très, Ride. Ride again will be with extra E. Okay. So look at the old woman. She is very old and wrinkled. Okay. Regarde la vieille femme. Elle est très âgée et très ridée. Okay. Now fourth is cet acteur américain est original et amusant. Okay. This American actor is original and funny. Okay, so now change it into feminine. Your Seth will become Seth, feminine form. Seth, actor will become actrice. Seth, actrice, American. E, A, original. Again, add E, A, amusant. Again, add E. Okay, so Seth, actrice, American, A, original, A, amusant. This American actress is original and funny. Okay. Cette actrice américaine est originale et amusante. Okay. Okay. Now fifth is ils sont agréables, sportifs et passionnés. So they are pleasant, sportive or athletic and patient. So change it into feminine. So your il plural will become L plural. L, sont will remain sont. Agréable will remain as it is. Now your sportive will become sportive. T-R-V-E-S. A passion. Add E and then S. Passion. So they are present, sportive and patient. Okay. Elles sont agréables, sportives et patientes. Okay. So this is the answer. Elles sont agréables, sportives et patientes. Okay. Next question is chasser l'intrus. It means find the intruder or pick the odd one out. Okay. So first is neveu, nièce, cousin, frère, and cousine. Okay. So neveu is your nephew, nièce is your niece, cousin here it is cushion. Okay. Cushion, frère is your brother, and cousine is your cousin in feminine form. Okay, so don't get confused with cousin, which is cushion, because your feminine cousin is this. So extra s is your cushion. Okay, so this is the spelling of cushion. So which one is the odd one here is cousin, because rest of the four are your brother or cousins. Okay. Second is divan, which is your sofa. Divan, buffet. Okay, sideboard. Sideboard. Table is your table. Tableau is painting. Okay, armoire is your wardrobe. Wardrobe. Okay, so it is your wardrobe. It is your table. Buffet is the sideboard, and divan is your sofa. So which one is the odd one out here? It's tableau. It's a painting. Rest of the four are your furniture. Tableau is not the furniture. It is a painting. Okay. So this one is the intruder here. Third is agréable, which is pleasant, gentil, kind. Mauvais is bad. Poli is again polite or kind. Généreux is generous. Okay. So these are all positive. Mauvais is bad, which is negative. So this one is wrong here. Fourth is appartement, which is apartment. Cuisine here is kitchen. Maison, house. Chateau is the castle. Studio, again, one room apartment. It's called studio. So these are all your house or where you live. But cuisine is one of the rooms in your apartment or maison or chateau. So which one is the wrong one or odd one? Is cuisine, kitchen. Okay, this is the odd one out. That's it for today, and we'll start with the new chapter in the next video. Till then, bonne journée, au revoir.